Sonic, it was no, not boobs. Bust means a lot more than just boobies, guys. Okay? Okay? A bust is also like a... When you see like a sculpture, a bust sculpture, right? It's like a... It's from the... Well, essentially, I guess it is from the boobies up. Or it's like the chest upward? Right? Bust sculpture. Yeah, okay, it's from like the chest up. So it was like Sonic from his like chest upward. Sculpture boob. No, boob! Oh my god. No, booba! So I mentioned bust, and you guys, sometimes you're like seagulls. It's like, booba? Booba? Booby? Booby? Boop? Booby? Boop? Booba?
Meanwhile...
Booba? Booby? Booba? Booba? Booby? Booba? Boop? Booby? 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 It's funny. You guys are so silly sometimes. But you always make me laugh, so thank you for that.